Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're at IKEA. Let's check out this cool looking elevator. Oh my god. Oh, yep. That's the first digit over there. It's a Shindler. It's pretty cool. Whoa. It's shaky. The doors are literally shaking. They're like, what? I imagine how used this is, so kind of makes sense. Takes an eternity to level. I'm pretty sure when it goes down, it doesn't take this that long to level, but like, it's a 3-speed door, which kind of makes sense. Because there's not a lot of space for this elevator. Yeah, that's so shaky. It's not something scary though. The foam stuff there. Sensors, it does have sensors. This is one thing I hate about elevators that are very used. Just the owners of the elevators, they don't replace them. Like, I mean, by replace, I mean, they don't like change the parts, like the doors, they should change them. Or like, add some oil at least. Whatever it needs to open.